So, in order to do a surface assembly survey, I need to find my north indicator. That's it. My plan seems to fail right now. I can only make a picture of an empty spot alongside the road. This is a place where some guy or girl is dumping clothing for the last couple of months. So every few days or weeks there's a big pile of clothing here on this spot alongside the street. I think it's dumped, it's taken from a used clothing canister and then illegally taken out and checked for goods. And then they just dump what they don't need here in the streets. However, there seems to be a sad story behind it, I would guess, because why would anybody steal second-hand clothing and then dump it? It looks like a sad story. But the municipality is cleaning up these clothing with such a speed that I actually often am too late by recording it. So this is actually a trace of absence. I can't take pictures of clothing because it's already gone. Okay. Well, that does give me some time to see what else is going on in the bushes here. Hey, that's interesting. That's a big capacitor. And yes, of course we find genuine archaeology. Because this is a chips bag from 1988. I think it's Alfredo González Ribal who talks about that contemporary archaeology is often about nostalgia. Well, this is definitely a nostalgic find. This is a brand that many people will remember from when they were a kid. And it's just here in the forest. And especially the alla bolognese variant was really popular. And I think it was a Croky invention. They became really big because of this specific taste of chips.